Hi, this is Marsha. Welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. I hope you're having a very creative day. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And I hope that you will subscribe to my little crafting and sewing community here. Just hit the little bell so you don't miss any notifications of new videos. First off, we're going to start with a very short little Happy Meal shout out to one of our members in our Facebook group, Junk Journal Junction. And her name is Karen Warnicki. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is so beautiful. She lives in South Africa, so she mailed it on, I think she said May 11th, and it came yesterday. So it took almost, what was that, 6 weeks to get here, but it made it. Yay! So I wanted to show you what she made and what she sent me. Just love this, and we have to make one of these here on the channel, and I'm going to find out how she made it. But it looks obviously embossed, so she made a tag. She covered it with aluminum foil, and then she folded it. You can see the fold marks here. I don't know what she glued it with, so I'm going to find all that out. And then the embellishments that she did, I love this. Absolutely. The gears, very steampunk. Oh, love it, love it, love it. So thank you again, and I just love the little twine that she added to it. Then let me show you the goodies that she sent me so that I can play and make one myself. So this lovely piece of craft paper, and it has stamped labels on here, so I will be able to fussy cut these out and add them to my journal projects. Thank you for those, Karen. And then this beautiful piece of aluminum foil that she put on here for me, and then she textured it as well with this piece of mesh, and then on this side you can see the texture coming through. And she also gave me a tag base to cut out, and this was from Nescafe box. And so she also shared her Facebook page with me. It's made by I'm not quite sure, is it KJ or KI? So I will look it up, and once I can verify which is her Facebook page, I'll put it in my description below. You can find her also on Instagram at OA, it looks like an R, SUM, and then CRAJES. So check that out. Check out her pages, and I'm very, very interested to see what else she does. She posts beautiful, detailed, embossed, three-dimensional textured crafts projects in our Junk Journal Junction Facebook group. So Junk Journal Junction will be in the description below. And so aren't these wonderful? And then that's not all. She also sent me a variety of these beautiful, very delicate die cuts that she did. Aren't these just beautiful? I love them. So these are so gorgeous. And if you've seen me use these in some of my first few videos on my channel using gesso, you'll be able to see what I did with those and how I used that and made it as actually as a stencil. And some trees. I'm just going through and showing you all the ones. Oh, just love these. Some maple leaves. Beautiful, beautiful. A wreath. Heart. So 2 different hearts. I love those. And then some circle scallop die cuts. Thank you again, Karen. Oh, I appreciate it so much. So our members are very giving, and we just have a wonderful and generous group of members, and we just have such a great time. And every month I do a giveaway drawing, and it doesn't matter, you don't have to post in the group, because I had that for a while where I wanted active members to post, and then we would do a giveaway drawing. So, but we encourage you to share your projects so that everyone else can be inspired. Don't be shy, you know, and we don't criticize anyone. And if you're a beginner or whatever level you are at junk journaling or sewing, feel free to post and share your projects in the group. And so we invite you to come over there. We're growing, growing, growing. So every day I'm getting requests for members. So we're just very, very excited to see you guys inviting people and the growth. So thank you again. Now, I'm going to talk about the July Embellishments Kit. Excuse my voice. There's just certain days, my asthma and the atmosphere, and we have a lot of humidity. You know, we're here in Florida and we have hurricane season coming. And so all of that affects us. And anyway, so today I'm a little bit hoarse, but that's okay. I'm not sick. It's just comes with the territory with my asthma. Now, July Embellishment Kit. If you missed the May and June embellishment kits, let me show you again. And you have you only have the month that the kit is released to purchase the kit. So you need to get it right away, because otherwise the month goes by and then the next thing you know, the month is over, and then I remove the kit and you've just missed out on it. So the kits are a fabulous deal. So the first two kits were $5, and as long as I can make them at that affordable price, I will do so. But if I need to raise the price because of supply costs and my time, you know, all that kind of a thing, the shipping, I keep it very low. It's like $3 and change for shipping in the United States. And so it's very affordable, and you get a lot of really nice embellishments to add to your supplies so that you can make crafting things. The May kit was all fabric embellishments, handmade by me, and it was in a purple and red, kind of like that Red Hat Society. If you heard about that here in the United States, it's like a club, women's club. And I didn't even connect that until my daughter said, "Hey, Mom, that kind of reminds me of the Red Hat Society." And I'm like, "You're right." So, but that was not even anywhere near my mind when I came up with the color combination. I had actually just completed a custom junk journal order for a customer, and those were the colors she picked out for me to do, and it was beautiful. And I said, you know what, I'm going to just, I'm going to go with this color theme for my May kit. And the May kit was the first one that I introduced. And then the June kit was all to do with my daughter's digital artwork. And so you can watch the videos, just go back in my playlist and you'll be able to see June embellishment kit, May embellishment kit. So I'm titling them, the video, for the kits. So this is going to be July embellishment kits, available in my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine. So I am a business, a small, very small business, but I'm a legal business and licensed and all that kind of thing in my state. So I've been selling on Etsy since 2008 in my handmade shop, Markets of Sunshine. I've had, with my husband and I, have a second shop called Pioneer Fundraiser. And so that is just a Pioneer Fundraiser. I just named that for my ministry and my service and things like that I had been doing and ongoing, and I was doing it full-time, and then with my health I wasn't able to continue that, and so the shop was funding that for a while, but now it's just a quote unquote retirement kind of a funding. It's like my spending money, if you so you will, so that I can continue to buy supplies, continue to make things here, continue to buy items to put in my vintage shop. So I just kind of like turn over, the money that way. And so, but it helps support my crafting. It supports my channel here now. So if you make a purchase, you're really helping me to continue to buy supplies, to make videos, and bring them to you like I am doing today. So this is what is going to come in the July Embellishments Kit. Now what I'm going to show you today will only be the actual, it's going to be, you can use it as an ephemera holder, you can use it as a journal, turn it into a journal, you can make it a happy mail and put cards in the pockets. So after I turn it over and show you what this is, and you're just going to love, love, love it. So I'm doing the process, and I just wanted to show you the layout right now. But this is not a DIY. This is going to just show you what I'm making, what you're going to be able to purchase, and this particular size. Yours may not be this big, large size. It depends on what I have in my stash, but it will have 4 pockets, okay, and then a center section where you could put a journal, or you can put smaller journals in the pockets. So once I get this assembled, then I will flip it over and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alrighty, here we go. So this is the July Embellishment Kit. And this is a sample. Yours is not going to be identical as far as the size is concerned. The paper pack that I'm going to use is going to be this exact paper pack. There's variations obviously within the pack, but it's a very beautiful floral design. So let me show you first. This is the outside. Okay, so this is still drying. So beautiful, very subtle. Watercolors and floral. As you can see, it's, from that outside piece, it's being brought into here. Same on this paper. And then some very pretty geometrics. And then I use that. Okay, so now inside there will be 4 pockets. So this center piece can be used for whatever you want to do. You can put photos here. You can put a card here. You can, put a solid piece of white paper here and write a note here for the recipient, or if you're saving it for yourself, whatever you want to do there. So there will be 4 pockets, just as you see here, and then it folds like this. So this piece folds down, this piece up, this piece over. So your right side folds in first, and then your left side closes up. And then I'm going to come along right here at the very edge and put an eyelet with a ribbon closure. So I just wanted to share this with you really fast. And like I said, I don't have this size available still, but this was just my sample prototype, so they'll be a little bit smaller than this. And the description of the size will be in my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine, and the kit will start to be available for purchase starting tomorrow, July 2nd. And if you are a subscriber to my newsletter, you will receive a special deal from me. Every month I change whatever the offer is going to be. Right now, in my Etsy shop, I have a 10% off sale in the Handmade shop, Markets of Sunshine, 15% off sale, and that is going to end on Monday. So just for this weekend, that discount is going on. And then also, if you favorite an item in my shop, either shop, then you will get a special coupon sent to your email. And if you add an item to your cart, you also get a special discount code, so you get to pick. So decide which one you want to use from the 2 coupons that you'll receive. So you have to favorite the item and then add it to your cart, and then you get to see what that special deal is also. So there's so many different ways of getting a coupon from me. I will run sales when it's a general holiday going on. The rest of the time, that's the only ways you can get it is to sign up with my newsletter, or favorite an item, or put it in your cart, and then you will find out what the coupons and what the offers are from me. And those change from time to time as well. I generally change them every quarter. So, spring, summer, fall, winter, that kind of a thing. And then you'll be able to, see what offer you want to take advantage of and the products. But if you see something, especially if it's at my vintage shop, it's one-of-a-kind things, most of them. So you've got to grab it before it's gone, because they sell, out of the blue. And what else do I want to tell you? Okay, that's basically about the sales. Okay, I will only be offering 10 of these kits. If all 10 sell out within the first week or 2 weeks, I will make more. Otherwise, 10, when they're just gone, they're gone, and that's it. And again, come August 1st, they're out of my shop, so you have to grab one before they're gone. Now, each of these pockets are going to be filled with ephemera, okay? All different types of ephemera, so you won't know what the ephemera is. That's a total surprise, but it's going to be something beautiful. All of the embellishments from this kit, the paper pad, will be what most of the ephemera will be made from. Okay, so that's it, and don't forget to subscribe. And then Monday will be our next organizing tips and ideas video. So every Monday I share organizing tips and ideas. Tuesday is our Altered Paper Clips Challenge. That's a 12-week series. We are on week 4. You can check that video out. And I will link one of those in the end card, so you'll be able to go back and watch that. So thank you for being here with me today. Keep creating in the sunshine, and I hope you will put a smile on my face and let's sell out all 10 of these embellishment kits this month. Thank you again, and have a great day. Bye-bye.